Having an organized, clutter-free kitchen makes everything from cooking dinner to make coffee 1,000 times easier. Hey everyone, with yet another organizing video, I am here to show you today few of my favorite organizers which are easy to install and very easy to use in your small kitchen, and I am sure you will love to use them in your kitchen too. Product links are there in the description box below. You can check it out if you wish to purchase. This is a very beautiful kitchen mat. I know this is not an organizer, but it definitely help you to keep your organizers like racks, drawers and your cabinets clean every time. Also, because of this kitchen mat, you don't need to clean your drawers and cabinets every now and then. Once in a while, you can just remove and clean these mats. They are washable and very much helpful to keep the base clean. It's a very good habit to tag or label your containers to avoid confusion. So I am making a label which looks very classy and quite different from other labels we normally use. For this, you just need any cardboard, cut it in circle and paint them white and make a hole and tie nice jute rope. After painting it in white color, you can write whatever your container holds and say it's ready. It's very simple and it adds beauty to your containers. This organizer looks very nice when hung on wall, and if you don't want to hang, you can just place it on your kitchen countertop. You can easily store your containers and free the counter space. It has two shelves and even the big container can be placed. Also, it has a towel hanger and two separate hooks for anything else you might need to hang. Overall, I just love this organizer both because of its function and for its look. It doesn't take much space and needs only one nail to hang. Also, it has very pretty design in white and black color in the front side. My second organizer is a door organizer, which again keeps your counter space free. Its size is very appropriate for storing anything you want. You can store your tray, staple containers, small baskets and even vegetables. You can hang it on any of your cabinet door inside out or even on your kitchen door. Also, it looks very nice and functional at the same time. My next organizer is again can be used two ways. You can hang on the wall. It comes with these two strong adhesive stickers, and you can also keep it on your countertop. For me, I found it best while hanging. I used it for storing all my spice jars. It accommodates almost all 8 jars and it is very strong and sturdy. Looks good at the same time. Next, my favorite organizer is this pull-out filler storage. Very convenient to store all your small containers which doesn't fit anywhere or maybe quite risky to store in open. I store all my extra whole spices container and few delicate glass jars in this pull-out storage. It has come in my modular kitchen set only, and this is must have in every small kitchen. You can also store things like aluminium foil and kitchen towels, or maybe you can store your glasses, teacups, coffee cups, etc., which you use occasionally, and you can use it for variety of things. In many videos I have shown you this organizer, which is so very useful in any type of small kitchen. You can use this under any cabinet, outside and inside both. This is perfect to store spice containers, which is mostly common in Indian kitchen. You can also store jars, teacups, coffee mugs, etc. Also, it is best to store kitchen paper roll and towels. So colorful, these organizers look great in any kitchen. These are very sleek looking organizers which can be used as a pull-out basket in any deep cabinets from where it's just too difficult to take out the things which are kept behind in the last row. You just need to arrange all your containers in these tray type baskets and can easily pull out the backside containers without dropping them. Also, because of these colors, they give a vibrant look to your kitchen. They are narrow and long, will easily fit in any cabinet and drawers. You can use them on kitchen countertop also to organize oil dispenser or tea, coffee, sugar containers. As you can see, I have kept all the container directly in the cabinet and I won't be able to see what I have kept deep inside. Also, I may drop frontline container while taking them out. So, best solution is to use a Lazy Susan. In Lazy Susan, you can organize all your jars and containers. That way, it is easy to check each and every jar without disturbing the other one. Lazy Susan comes in variety. This one I have made at home by sticking a round golden tray on a revolving tray. Its link is available in the box below if you wish to buy. And my last organizer is exclusively for hanging kitchen towels. It is made of plastic, but it's of very good quality and can be hung in any drawer or on the cabinet door or even on the pull-out trolleys. Kitchen towels are always in too much use every now and then, so I found this extremely useful to dry or hang my kitchen towel. So that's all for today's video. Hope you find the information useful. Keep the comments coming and consider subscribing my channel. Take care and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.